Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. As we have started Microsoft Word tutorial series, and this is its last part. We have completed about every topics. Every options of Microsoft Office. Microsoft Word. So this is its last part, and here I will discuss about the references option. Okay, so let's start. And if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also you can watch our previous video. The link is given in description, and also this channel is for civil engineers. So here every software tutorials are available. So let's start. First of all, I'll open a Word file. So that is our previous Word file. Okay, so this is a previous Word file actually. So here I will today discuss about references. Okay, so now actually I will just delete everything from here. Now actually what is that references? Here we can add table, content of table, and then content of figure. Okay, suppose when you will see a book, then you will find something here like some headlines or some references or anything. So you can use here, you can use here that by using that option. So how we'll use that? Suppose if we go home, and from here suppose I will write here something. Just from here, just if we use heading 1. Okay, so and also I'll give here, this is for heading 1. Okay, so from here go next, then go for heading 2, and here also I'll give some heading 2, and I'll give heading 3. Suppose this is our some text, and also again I'll give here heading as heading, then here I'll give a subheading again. Okay, so again I'll give here again subheading, so like that. So just see here, and also page number given, and headers. Suppose this is a topic and it is a subtopic, and this is again subtopics, it's subtopics, that is. So now I'll just use here, go to layout, and from here break, and from here next page. So okay, it's here. Now in that page actually, so, here actually I will use the references. So how will use that actually? So table of content. So just simply click here, and from here select on any of it. Okay, so I'll just suppose select the second one. Now see here, you will find a table like that. Okay, so here is a table with page number, table of content. So just see here, go to home, and if you come here, just see here, this is the table of content. Actually when you will write a books, then you will get that. Now suppose again if you write here something to heading like that. Suppose here another heading, heading 3 here, like and also give it heading 2, and also give it heading 3. And also I have shown you that how will change that heading and how will use that in a previous video. You can watch that. So suppose here now again how will get that data here? Just simply click here update table, and update page number only, update inter table. So what you actually want? So here update inter table, just press OK. Now see that it's also available here. So actually in that way we can identify, we can done our content of table. Now I'll see you the another thing. Suppose I'll go here insert, and from here picture, I'll insert a picture. Just simply from here insert a picture. Suppose here is a picture. Now we will just right click, and from here we will insert caption. Okay, so figure, this is the figure number, that will be the figure number, this is the figure, and below the item. Okay, above the item and below the item. So I'll give the below the item, just press OK. So I'll just delete that. Zoom it. Then this is your page number 2. Okay, and here I'll click here insert caption, and from here figure exclude label caption, or here. So also they have another option, numbering with okay, heading 1 respect to heading 1, then press OK. After that press caption. Now write here your figure name. Just see here, suppose this is your figure name. Okay, and just simply you can change that. Just simply select that, or you can change it. Okay, and also you can change that, and you can blur it, and after that come here. Just see here, here is a figure actually. Okay, and also you can change its color. To change its color, come here automatic. So here is its figure. Now they have 1 2 3 4 5, the huge amount of figure here. So how we'll just create a table for your figure actually. So just simply come here. Okay, just simply come here and to go to references, and from insert table of figure. Okay, insert table of figure. Just simply click here, and from here they have many way. Okay, so from here they have many way actually. You can use none, or the menu way actually here. After that show page number, right align page number, then include level number, write that. So actually you can use that, and also you can modify that from here according to requirement. So after that option, so from here you also can change the option, then after that press OK. Just see here, here is the figure, and this is the figure. Okay, and is the number figure number 3, I mean number of page 3, and the figure name is SOCE. Just like that way you can use your that figure and also that table. Okay, so again suppose again if I come here, and if I insert another table, another picture from here actually. So here another picture, then right click, insert, then simply press OK, and give her some just anything. Okay, so just select that, edit that according to requirement. So I will just give her automatic, and also give them in middle, sorry, in middle. So it's done actually. Okay, and then click here, you can save that. So before saving that, just go here, and now see here there is only one figure actually. Okay, so how I'll do that, just click here and go here references, then update table. Just click here, update page number only, insert table. Just simply see here, this is the figure number 3.1, figure number 3.2. just so like that you can actually done your work here in this way actually. So I think, and also you can remove the, I mean you can select that, Control A like that way, and from here you can also remove your, like that way you can remove your underline also. So just see here in this way, and also simply give here a name, the table of figure. Just give its name here, and also select that, from here increase that, and from here, so like that. So just see here how it is. So from here actually you can use your data and anything also. So from here it is possible to do it. So I think it's clear to you, and now you know that how we'll use table of content on figure, and also you can use that as a table. Okay, suppose you have some table, and also you can do it for your table. So Thank you, and if you think that is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also, if you are a civil engineer, then must subscribe to our channel, because this channel is only for civil engineer. And in this channel they have many video that are related to our civil engineering knowledge, and they have software related video. So in our next video I will just start showing you that how we'll work in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so as a engineer, this is very important, because also every terms we face some presentation or some defenses, so that's why it's very required. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.